Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you 5 hacks to prevent and to treat acne and pimples. I have extremely acne prone skin and I keep getting acne all the time. As you can see, I have a big one popping up right on my nose, and then there's this one which is almost about to go. So I'm going to be telling you the things that I do to keep my acne situation at bay, and even if I still get acne, how to treat them and make them go away faster. So the first hack is to switch to an oil-free makeup remover, preferably micellar water, because when you use oil-based makeup removers, be it cleansing balms or cleansing milk or even coconut oil to remove your makeup, they can all clog your pores and cause more acne. So you want to switch to micellar water. And then again, there are two types of micellar waters. One is oil-based and the second one is water-based. So stick to a water-based micellar water. It's amazing for your skin. If you have acne prone skin, it won't clog your pores, it will remove your makeup, and it will be really gentle on your skin. The second hack is to treat your acne and pimples and make them go away faster, and for that you can use a salicylic acid based serum. The one that I like using is by the Derma. This is their 2% salicylic acid face serum. Now this contains salicylic acid, which helps to unclog your pores by removing acne causing bacteria from your pores and keeping your skin clear. And it's got witch hazel and willow bark, which are both very calming and soothing for your skin. So they will keep the irritation at bay and keep the inflammation also under control. Now I like using it only once a day, but if you want, you can also use it twice a day, in the morning and at night. So I basically do just a spot treatment of this. Wherever I have acne, I just apply it and then blend it into my skin. If you have a lot of acne maybe on your cheeks, you can apply it all over your cheeks. So if you have your face full of acne, if you have tiny bumps and everything, you can maybe apply this all over your face if you want. This can also be used on your nose. It helps to prevent blackheads and whiteheads. And if you're new to using salicylic acid, don't worry, because this Derma salicylic acid serum contains 2% concentration of salicylic acid, which is very safe and very gentle to be used. Now apart from the face serum, if you're just trying to prevent acne, or even if you have current acne, you can also go in with a salicylic acid based face wash. This is 1% salicylic acid gel daily face wash. And this also contains salicylic acid, which helps to prevent and treat acne, witch hazel and willow bark, which are both calming ingredients for your skin, and they help to calm down the irritation and inflammation. And this face wash can be used twice a day, in the morning and at night. So when you're just starting off with using salicylic acid in your skincare regime, you can start off with using the face wash. Introduce the face wash to your skin first for a couple of days, and then you can start using the serum. And this face wash is very gentle for the skin. It's suitable for all skin types, and it cleanses my skin, makes me feel all refreshed, and also keeps my acne situation under control. Now the fourth hack is for your moisturizer. Skip those thick heavy creams, skip those oils and oil based moisturizers, and just stick to a water based moisturizer or a gel based moisturizer, something that's very lightweight and something that does not feel heavy, and something that's very quick absorbing, because when you use lightweight products, they kind of seep into your skin and they don't just sit on top of your skin clogging your pores. But when you use heavy duty products, thick moisturizers, thick creams, they kind of clog your pores, and that can cause more acne. And the same thing is also applicable for sunscreens. Try to prevent those heavy duty sunscreens and stick to a lightweight sunscreen, maybe a sunscreen serum or something. Derma has recently launched this 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen serum, which is very lightweight and it has a quick absorbing formulation. And the fifth hack is to avoid physical exfoliators like face scrubs, because when you have current acne and when you use a face scrub on top of it, it kind of irritates the acne and causes inflammation and redness. Along with that, it also transfers the acne causing bacteria to the other parts of your skin, causing more acne on your skin. So when you use physical scrubs on current acne, it just damages your skin and makes your acne situation worse. However, if your skin is completely clean, if you don't have acne or pimples, you can go ahead and use face scrubs. But if you have an acne situation going on and if you want to exfoliate your skin, then you can use a chemical exfoliator. The Derma has some really good chemical exfoliators and they help in shedding off the first few layers of dead skin very gently without irritating your skin. They also help to add a beautiful glow on the skin. They help to smoothen out your skin, and you can use them once in every 15 days. So those are the 5 skincare hacks that I follow to keep my acne situation under control, to prevent acne and pimples, and to deal with them if I already have active acne going on. If you guys are dealing with acne, then I highly recommend you start using salicylic acid based products. These are a lifesaver if you have acne. They have really helped me deal with my acne. Like, I keep using these products all the time whenever I have acne, and they help me in getting rid of the acne very fast. So in case if you want to purchase these salicylic acid products by the Derma, they're available on Derma's website, where if you use my coupon code Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off. Apart from that, you can also shop them from Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. However, I recommend placing an order on Derma's website, because that way you'll be getting a discount, and along with that, every single time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and Derma has pledged to help more than 10,000 students across the year. So you can also be a part of this initiative by placing orders directly from Derma's website. So yeah, that was my video on how I take care of my acne prone skin. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below what other kind of videos would you like to watch. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.